Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturdays. We're having avocado, eggs on toast. The usual.
Yummy! Thank you, babe.
That's alright.
1 for me.
2 for me.
Good morning, guys. And in-offeran niya ako ng coffee. Tingnan mo to siya. Wala ka support sa aking pagbabago sa buhay.
What was that?
I told them that you're offering me coffee.
Yeah.
Why?
I'm not a coffee. I feel like a coffee. Don't you feel like a coffee?
Yeah.
Have a coffee.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
I reached my 2 weeks yesterday, Friday. 2 weeks without coffee.
Was it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't that good?
That's a good job.
And you're gonna break it now. Naglo-laundry ako kaya maingay yung nandun. Thank you, my love! So yan guys, avocado siya.
Which one's yours? Which one was it? That one's yours.
The small one.
No, that one's yours.
Yep. And then lalagyan niya ng itlog. Thank you, babe. Thank you very much. Oh, good? Mine's good. Yep, thank you.
No, I haven't finished. I haven't finished.
Okay.
If I make it my way, and you eat it the way I make it. That's the rules.
That's the rule?
That's the rules.
Wow. Wow. Can I eat it now?
You can eat it now.
Thank you. Kain, guys. Ano ba yan? Nice top, babe.
Thank you.
Ang ganda niyang top na yan sa kanyang. Ganda ng kulay. Papunta kami kay Mart. May bibilihan si Dan. What are you gonna buy again, Malang?
Hip flask.
Ah, hip flask. Hindi ko kasi siya maintindihan kanina. Tinawagan niya yung kay Mart. Hindi ko maintindihan. Pero now I get it. Hip flask. Yung lalagyan ng alcohol. Ayun. Kasi pupunta kami sa 40th birthday ng kanyang amigo. Pupunta kami mamaya. Magsistay lang ako dun saglit. Tapos pupunta ako sa bahay nila Kat. Kasi hindi naman ako iinom. Para si Danny Boy mag-enjoy siya na hindi niya ako iniisip. Alam mo yun? Siya na lang. Tapos i-pick up ko siya mamaya after ng pa-party niya. So papunta kami kay Mart. Do you miss your car? Small car?
Nope.
May nakita kami yung kapareho ng old car niya. Anyway, pupunta kami kay Mart and then pupunta din tayong Liquorland. Bili ako Moscato para sa mga girls mamaya. So punta kami kina Kathy. Maganda. Si Dan tapos na maligo eh. Ako wala pa akong ligo. Mamaya na ako maliligo. Kasi mag-golf pa to. Siya na talaga ang daming ganap ngayon. Mag-golf siya kasama si Tony. Si Tony lang ata kasama mo. Is Mark going as well? No? Hindi pa ata nag-reply si Mark. Tapos kami mga girls. Okay. Dito na kami sa Kmart, guys. Dito kami sa Kohl's, guys. Hindi namin nahanap yung flask sa Kmart. Hindi pala sila nagbebenta doon. Pero tingnan niyo dito. Merry Christmas! Paskong Pasko na. Dito yung mga Christmas, nila, display. Ito, bonbons. Ang dami. Nahanap namin, tinitingnan namin kung may flask dito. Wala naman eh. Meron sa ibang shop. Like, nagpunta kami sa Bargain City. Pero ang mamahal, $20-something.
That's where I got your cake from, the cheesecake shop there.
Okay. That's a good cake.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I like that one. So, is it just called a sponge cake?
Yeah, sponge cake.
Yeah, that's a good one. Diyan daw binili ni Dan yung cake ko. Masarap yun, guys. Yung sting bee? Was it? Bee sting, sorry. Sting.
Bee sting.
We're still on a hunt for this flask. Hinahanap pa din namin yung flask. Gustong-gusto niya talaga mag-flask ngayong araw para sa birthday ng kanyang migo. So, hanapin natin yung flask. Hanap tayo dito sa mga ganitong shop. Yung mga discount shops. Ayan. Babe! You have good news for us?
I'm pregnant.
Buang!
Oh, we got it.
Finally! After a million shops.
Really nice.
Yeah. He's gonna use this, guys, tonight. Wow. How do you use it? Wow. Huy, wag ka. Nigara na sa...
How you do it?
Good job. Let me see. Meron kasi siyang ganito. Nakita ko yun, nag-organize ako, sabi niya hindi niya daw mahanap. Feeling ko mahanap ko yun eh. Pero yun, silver, ito gold. So may dalawa na siya. Silver and gold. And that one has, does that other one you have has writing on it, like engraving?
Yeah, I think maybe I got it as a present.
Yeah, I think yes. I don't think I threw that one away. I don't think so. Oh, you did?
I don't know. I had a look today.
Bad man. Wow. Wow po ah.
Let's go.
Ako wala pa akong ligo. Wait, sir.
You always should have your seatbelt on. Safety first.
We're not even moving yet.
I was moving. I can't believe you didn't have your seatbelt on.
Oh,
Jesus.
Ano guys, mainit.
Hashtag just saying. You should wear seatbelts all the time.
Buang seatbelt ako. If I don't wear my seatbelt, this car is really annoying.
No way, that Mitsubishi was so I don't wear a seatbelt. Wasn't it?
Yeah,
gave me a headache.
Yung ano niya, yung it's very, what do you call that? Parang sobrang pitchy. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ganun ba? Yung ito, ting, ano lang tayo, very subtle. Ting, ting, ting. Yun.
That's right.
Parang ako lang yun eh. It's like me, my love. Annoying?
Worse. It is worse.
Okay. Ang topic natin ngayon, I just want to get your thoughts on this, my love. This is an important topic.
Sure.
Okay. In the Philippines, husbands give their money to their wives, like their salary, monthly. No, like listen up.
Bad idea.
Hoy, grabe, hindi naman. Wag, babe. Don't do that, babe. Not yet. Okay? So
Okay.
that's how it usually happens. Not everyone, hindi lahat ginagawa yun. Alam naman natin yan, guys. If you're married, you live together and all that, you give the money to the wife and she does the budgeting. So in our case, it's different, obviously. You don't give your money to me and I don't give my money to you either. Right?
Alright.
So how we do it is, meron kaming joint account. And we both, like, alam namin lahat. Like, we know the in and outs of our finances and all that. So we have like meron talaga kaming full control, kaming dalawa. What are your thoughts?
You know, I think you know my thoughts. I think
Just tell them your thoughts.
my thoughts. If you're married, joint account, you share everything.
Yes.
You do. So everything's shared. So no, none of this separate stuff. Everything's joint.
Yeah.
You work together.
Now some people will say, oh, you're just doing this because Rhaze is earning.
Yes.
Ito kasi, kapag na-mention ko siya sa vlog ko, laging sinasabi talaga ng mga tao, ginagawa lang yan ni Dan because Rhaze is earning. So obviously, he wants a share of, like, you know, whatever I'm earning, stuff like that.
Hell yeah, I'm not stupid.
No?
Hell yeah.
No. So si Dan talaga, yun talaga yung paniniwala niya. That's really how you wanna do it, even before. So, before pa, tourist ako, diba? As soon as we got married, I think that's one of the first thing that we took care of, right?
Yep.
Open a joint account as soon as we got married. And I wasn't like, I only had my savings then. Yun lang. Wala akong like monthly income meron pero konti lang. Kasi YouTube ako noon pero like hindi ko naman talaga siya napapansin. Plus, my YouTube was on a separate account and it still is hanggang ngayon. Nasa separate account siya. Pero what I do now is tina-transfer ko siya sa joint bank account namin para at least dalawa yung nakatutok ba. So, as soon as dumating yung sweldo ko dun sa separate account ko, kasi nag-open ako ng account, hindi pa kasi kami kasal nun, nag-open ako ng account, dun pumapasok yung sweldo ko, tapos para din ma-transfer ko yung savings ko galing sa Philippines dito sa Australia. So, dun ko nilagay sa account na yun. And that happened way before we got married. So, when we got married, he opened a joint bank account. Hindi ako nagsabi, I didn't even say anything because I didn't really know how to do it. Like, hindi ko naman alam, like, you know, and ayoko naman sabihin sa kanya, oh my gosh, Danny boy, let's open a joint account. I want your money. Like, hindi din. Siya talaga yung nagsabi. Why? Because, like, the way you explained it to me is, like, really good.
Okay, I explained to Raz, Raz, you're gonna be rich one day. And I want some of this richness.
No. Please, please.
So we have to have a joint bank account.
No, sige na.
I already explained it. I just believe when you're married, everything's shared.
Yes.
You're nothing separate. Everything's shared.
Like tell them about like, how about when you have a baby and stuff, and you don't have a joint bank account? How are you gonna do it? Like some people do it.
Yeah, so
Sabi kasi
it's
nila,
a choice.
Yeah, like hindi naman namin sinasabi na gawin nyo yung ginagawa namin. That's just how we do it. And because a lot of people ask,
if you got separate bank accounts, you're leading separate lives, aren't you? You're not.
Kind of, yeah.
You are.
Some people are doing it this way. So they have a joint bank account, yes. But like they still receive their salary on their separate bank accounts and just put like a percentage on their joint bank account. So not everything is in their joint bank account. Yeah. So some people do that and that works for them. That's fine. The only thing is, you told me this and I was like, yeah, that makes like a lot of sense. So kapag nagka-baby na kayo, ano gagawin nyo? So okay, put 50% for the pram, 50% from me, and 50% from you. Parang ganun, di ba? Like, pero again, there's nothing wrong with it. Like, you boo.
So what happens when, you stop YouTube?
Okay.
What, you have no money? Is that the way it works?
Yeah, well, no, because we're not doing it that way.
Yeah. No. Share. It's a marriage.
Yes.
It's a marriage.
Diba? And even if like, what if I don't have a job?
Oh, it doesn't matter. What if I don't have a job?
It doesn't matter to me. Who does the budgeting?
More me.
More you?
More me.
Yeah.
More me.
Especially like, like big. I just do not 100% know how it works yet. Like, I just know that I don't want debt.
Neither do I.
And I want like a lot of savings. That's all I know. But when it comes to, we need to put our money into this, like that, I don't 100% understand yet. Hindi ko pa yan. Like yung mga interest, like I need to know what, like, kasi hindi ko talaga yan maintindihan muna. Yeah, pero, yeah. That's our topic for today.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. I think point of the topic, if you're married, everything's shared, nothing separate.
Yeah, because you're married.
You're married.
Diba? And we're not saying that people who doesn't do like joint bank accounts, like not doing it right.
Each to their own.
Yeah,
whatever works for you.
That's right.
Like,
whatever works for you.
Honestly, I don't care. It doesn't affect us.
Yeah, we're just sharing our...
What we believe in.
Okay, good job, Mama.
Yeah.
Bahay na kami, guys. And guess what? I found it. Same size pa pati. Hey, do you want me to wash that?
Nah.
Why not?
Nah.
I'll wash it.
I don't want to wash.
Why?
Because I want everything I want it.
I'll just wash it for you, my love. Buang. Like, you do not know how many years that one is like displayed in the shelf.
Ooh.
What?
Yes.
Binili niya yan sa ano, wow. Saan? What do you call that? Sa duty free. Dito. Nung Korea trip namin. Oops. Drink moderately, people. Oh, okay.
Just leave on the side of the house.
May package kami. Biniwan sa labas. What's that?
Sunglasses?
Zaful? Is that for me? Read the address.
Yeah. And it's our home address, though. Like.
Allah. When did I order from Zaful, babe?
Can't even open it.
What's that? Okay.
That's something you'd order.
Okay. And what's that one?
So, Avis. You serious? Do you reckon they just made that? Is that even your size?
I didn't order this. You know what? I think this is from like long time ago and they just followed up.
Jesus.
Because when I
US size 4?
When I order from Zaful, they don't really send everything. So maybe these are the rest, but that was like forever ago.
Yeah. Does that fit you?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe Sissy. I'll give that to Sissy or Mom.
Okay.
Barakay.
And the glasses, give them to you.
I'll give it to Mom.
Give it to you.
Yeah. Okay. Are you sure this is our address? Yeah, it is. Hello. That's weird. It's really weird. Okay. Guys, may bisita pala ako kanina pa to dito niya. Nagmasahe.
Nandito po ako magpagmasahe. Sarap!
Oh, diba? Pangalawang ano niya, pangalawang round mo na yan, diba? Pinya. Dito ka na araw-araw, magmasahe ka dyan. Dito ako sa aking puzzle, guys. Si Dan at siya kasi Tony nag-golf, sila lang dalawa.
Sila lang dalawa, sarili silang mundo.
Kasi si Neil, bantay bata. Tapos si Mark, hindi nag-reply. Parang work ata. So, yun. Biglang dumating si Lyra. Sabi ni Dan, pupunta si Lyra dito. Sabi ko, bakit? Kasi usapan namin, pupunta kami kinakat, mamayang gabi. Tapos biglang sinabi ko kay Tony, nadalhin si Lyra dito. Sabi ko, okay.
Oo, sinabi niya. Sabi niya, gusto mo i-drop na rin sila para may kasi.
Oo nga, yun yung sabi niya. Sabi ko, bakit? Nagkakausap lang namin na magkita kami kinakati.
20 minutes, ligo, lahat ready. O, diba?
Sabi ni Tony, kailangan mag-ready ka na. Punta ka kina Rhaze. Sila na talaga nagpaplano para sa amin.
Diba? Sabi ni Tony, kaya mo palang maligo ng mabilis?
Tinext ko siya, sabi niya, punta ako sa inyo, Day.
Tapos na ako maligo nung text ka, di ba?
Oo, di ba? Maaga din siya nagising ngayon, di ba? May mga pagbabago
sa buhay.
Malapit na ako, guys. Ay, hindi pa. Hindi malapit. Mahirap yung part na yan. Pero ito, dalawa na lang kulang dito. Tapos yan, may mga bakanting lote. Wow. May mga bakanting lote. Tapos yun yung malaki. Guys, I'm ready. Nakapagbihis na ako. Gamit ko yung Fendi ko na maliit na bag. Yan, ito yung aking pa-outfit. This is from Bangkok, itong top ko. And then this is from Yes Style. And then, yun lang, yung contacts na gamit ko, yun pa din yung lime na shade. Nakalimutan ko na siya. Galing Chu, yung brand. Nabili namin siya sa Japan. And yung nasa lips ko is yung Maybelline Amazonian, yung shade, yung favorite ko na lipstick. And yun lang. Pupunta na kami ni Dan. Toilet lang ako, tapos, ay, hindi pa pala. Punta kami ng party mamaya, pero parang ihahatid muna namin yung mama niya somewhere. Hindi kasi magdadrive yung mama niya kasi iinom. Yeah, yun pala ata yung plano. Nihintay namin sila lumabas, guys. Ida-drive ko to sila sa city. Tapos, pupunta kami sa birthday. Bella! It's alright. You look good. You look really good. Nice.
You're on TV now.
Oh, thank you.
I like your earrings. Yeah.
Hello. You're on the vlog. You're on the blog.
You did your hair?
Oh, the hairdressers.
Nice.
Yeah, I did my hair too.
No, that was hair by Sharon.
By Sharon. You both can say hello to the vlog.
Hello. How are you?
There you go. No, I don't know. You just reminds me I need to go out and get drunk all the time. It does. When I go to town, I see all these people. I'm like, yep. I used to be one.
Do you miss those days, babe?
Every day. I'm just kidding.
Poor me. Just keep going.
It was fun though when you're young. You could cause so much trouble.
Guys, nandito na kami sa community center.
Community center.
Lasing na siya, guys. Di ako mag-vlog, pero babalik ako mamaya kasi pupunta ako kinakat. Let's go! Guys, tapos na tayo sa party. Hindi pa tapos yung party, pero nauna na ako. Pupunta ako kinakat. Si Dan nandun pa. Mamaya, magte-text yun, magpapasundo. Kakain ako ng sinigang. Yung ano sa party kasi, pizza. Sarap din naman. I had like a slice. Madilim na. Dito na ako, guys. Dito na pala ako, guys.
Nakikain na.
Nakikain na ako. Dito sila kanina pa. Malapit na mag-alas 10. Wala pa naman. Hindi pa nagte-text si Dan.
Wala, si Tony tsaka si Amen.
Dito kami sa kwarto niya, pinakita yun. Nag-unboxing ka na, diba? Meron siyang unboxing sa kanyang guys, channel. Panoorin niyo yun. Marami siyang mga dun. Surprise. Baba, what did you get, Baba? Did you get toys?
Where's your doll?
It's your doll!
Where? Hinubadan mo yung doll mo.
Baba, is the doll pretty? Like mommy? Like mommy or Veronica?
Siguro yun.
Sabi niya kanina. Sabi ko, like mommy. Sabi niya, no! Me! Ayun, umalis na daw.
Baby. Ang baby niya kasi mga dog.
Dito na siya, guys. Pero paalis na kami. Alis na kami.
Psychic.
Ayaw niya sa'yo, babe. Natakot yung mga bata kayo.
Parin mo kayo si Tony. You do it back.
How about dito? Kasi naglalap siya sa akin eh.
Fist bump. Fist bump.
Ayaw niya.
Oh, fist bump. Here we go.
Fist bump, Ina!
Okay, I'm going to do it with Dad instead.
Oh.
She's tired.
What about Tita Rice?
Ninang baba.
Come on, Nina. Aww.
Rejected. Rejected.
Oh, rejection.
Ayaw niya. Thank you, guys. Thank you,
You
Neil.
just keep rejecting men like that.
I'm gonna go have a cry now.
Oh, Tito Dan's gonna cry. Say bye-bye, Baba.
Good night, Baba.
Say bye-bye. Bye. Good night. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya talaga sa babe. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Salamat sa sinigang. Alis na kami, guys. Kasi anong oras na? 11 na ata? Is it already 11? Nandito sila mga 20 minutes na ata yun siya dito. Bahay na kami, guys. Kanina pa to yung contacts ko. Kapag gabi, okay lang siya. Hindi siya ganun ka light. Pangatlong beses ko na ba ito nagamit? Parang pangatlong beses ko na ito nagamit. Tapos isang buwan siya. So, ginamit ko siya nung November 2. Kapag kasi, kahit na isang buwan yung contacts, kapag hindi ko naman siya masyadong nagagamit, parang ginagamit ko pa din siya kahit more than 1 month na. Like, for example, hindi naman kasi ako nagko-contacts everyday. So, last gamit ko sa kanya November 2. Tapos, kailan ko siya ginamit ulit. Parang pangatlong beses ko lang ata pa ito siya ginamit. Anyway, siguro magiging more than a month siya sa akin. How's your flask?
Good.
Good? Yan yung dala-dala niya dun sa Pinagtawanan nga siya eh. Kasi may dala talaga siya sariling drink. Yung drink kasi na iniinom niya, yung it's bourbon niya. Yeah, bourbon. Hindi kasi siya available doon. yung meron yung niya, kaibigan niya, beer. Ayan. You had fun, babe?
Yeah, alright.
Let's close this vlog. Close na namin yung vlog, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like if nagustuhan nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Bye!